guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my get ready with me, and I actually have my vadibiyyam coming up tomorrow. So I wanted to do like a cleanup and facial, and then I'll show you guys the outfits and the sarees and everything, and yeah, basically take you guys through the entire thing. And since we've been staying home and I haven't gotten out even to get my eyebrows done, I haven't gotten them done since March, February, I don't know. So yeah, even now I'm a little scared. I know people have been doing threading differently and all that, but still I'm a little scared to go to the salon for anything basically. So I wanted to do an at-home glow up, and I wanted to minimize any makeup I put on. It's a traditional event and I just generally also don't like to put on a lot of makeup. I want my skin all glowing and fresh. So during my brother's pellicorco function also, we didn't have much time for the event and we didn't have time to like go out and do something. So we did this for my brother actually, so at home facial itself, and it worked great. So this is the Pond's charcoal anti-pollution facial kit, and this has like 6 steps. I had the face wash with me because I was just going to wash my face. So yeah, it has 6 steps, as you can see here. Tiny compact box, and it is super affordable. It's only for 300 rupees. So you'll get all the 6 steps here. That is the face wash, scrub, gel cream, skin cream, face mask, and then gel cream. Okay, I will tell you guys in detail what it is, but yeah, those are the 6 steps, and it's a pretty quick process. You can do it right at home if you're having a lockdown wedding, if you're the bride or the groom, or if you're brother or sister getting married, or if you're just a wedding guest, or if you have any event or a festival or anything, and you can do that instant glow. You can do that quick glow up right at home. So basically charcoal is known for detoxifying, and I think that's what I need right now. I have like pimple marks and a little bit of pimples. They're not active, they're gone, like going away, and my skin also looks a little bit dull. So that's exactly what it does: detoxifies and replenishes that glow and moisture in your skin. So let's begin. So that's the first step. This is the face wash. Look how cute and tiny they are, and they seem quite travel friendly too. I think they'll come for a lot of washes. It's not just a one-time thing from what I can see in terms of all the steps. I'm not able to focus. Yeah, so this is the first step, and it says with activated carbon, this formula helps remove impurities and pollution particles. Okay, so just wet your face, create lather, gently massage onto your face and neck, the usual. So I've just wet my face. I'm gonna take a little bit of it, and there's obviously a lot more left, and I've actually used this already a couple of times earlier too. I've used the face wash and mask separately separate from the kit, and even after I got it, I've used it a couple of times, and I think they're super travel friendly too. So you can use the individual pieces or just the mask or the scrub and wash as per the requirement, of course. Like I said, I've used this face wash before. So basically it is not very drying. It'll just get rid of all the impurities, and if your skin is oily also, this works great. So I have like really oily nose and this part. Rest of it is like combination skin, and it does get very oily over the day. So basically they're not drying and they do retain moisture, so it works pretty well. So especially if you have like oily to combination skin, this works great, and even if you have dry skin, this doesn't dry out your skin, so it works perfectly well. So I'm done with my face wash. I'll just go wash it and be back. I washed off my face, just wiping it off. So the next step is the scrub, of course, and I really like this part because I have a little bit of like whiteheads and blackheads situation going on, and I haven't scrubbed in a while. So this is enriched with walnut shell powder and helps exfoliate dead skin, removes excess oil. I do like to use a little bit water so that it is even more gentle. So I'm going to take a little bit water. So I took a little water on my fingers then I'm going about it. I'm gonna basically scrub this part and my forehead more because that's where I feel like I have most dead skin. So done scrubbing. Don't over scrub and be very gentle. So I'm sure everyone knows that, but still just repeating myself. Now I'm gonna leave it on for a couple of seconds and then wash it off. I washed off the scrub and I'm back. Next step, we have the Nourishing Cream. This is the Pond's Revitalizing Cream. It has vitamin B3 and E, and it is very hydrating for skin. It just says to massage it and apply it all over face. So I'll take a little bit, not a lot. Oh. Okay, a lot of it actually came out, but that it's in gel texture, so that shouldn't be a problem. So I was thinking I'll take a very little bit of it only because I have like oily skin, so that's what I thought, but it's gel formula, so that's fine. Oh wow, it really feels very refreshing, both the face wash and the scrub. So supposed to massage it. So generally when massaging, these are the strokes that you should be doing. This is not a massaging cream as such, but yeah, it says to massage a little bit and until it gets absorbed, and it's actually absorbed already. So the next step is the massaging cream. It's the deep massage cream. It has glycerine and it helps moisturize your skin. So it just says to take it on fingertips and massage with light circular upward strokes for 10 to 15 minutes. Use water if needed. Wipe off the... Oh, you're supposed to wipe it off with a moist cloth after. Makes sense. So this is the really creamy one. So this is how I like to massage it. So upward motion tightens your skin and improves blood circulation, and similarly here also. This is what I like to do. After massaging for a couple of minutes, I'm just going to take a damp cloth and wash it off. The next step, we have the peel off mask. It's the charcoal peel off mask enriched with bamboo charcoal, and it helps remove blackheads and brighten your skin. It looks like... Oh, okay. Okay, I haven't used this mask. I think I used the scrub earlier. I have never used it. Oh. So I've applied the face mask. I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. Yeah, it says 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll be back. It's been a couple of minutes. Now I'm gonna start removing this. Oh, this is actually easy. It's not like that peel off mask which hurts or annoying. Oh, this is really cool. It's nothing. It's just peeling off. Oh yeah, this was going to help with the blackheads. I don't have too many blackheads, but I do have blackheads which look so annoying. This is oddly satisfying, you guys. That was actually pretty easy, but then yeah, it was a little time taking, and I feel like my skin is already glowing. Oh, there's a little bit left. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Again. So the last step is the finishing cream, and it is Pond's Pollution Protect Cream. It helps protect from pollution and restores glow. I think tomorrow I'll see a better glow. As of now, I feel really good. My skin feels very refreshed, and I feel like this entire part, when I was peeling it off itself, I could see that it was all glowing. So that was about the facial. So I'll update you guys tomorrow, and yeah, you can see. Hi guys. So I woke up with like fresh looking skin and there's a nice glow and everything. I just washed my face and I came. So I'm gonna get started with a little bit of makeup. So I'm gonna be doing very minimal. I'll probably just put a little concealer under my eyes and lipstick and mascara, and probably that's it. And I'll show you guys the final look, like a little bit of concealer on whatever spots I have, but otherwise I think the skin looks quite fresh and prepped. So that's what I wanted to do with the minimal makeup. For the first outfit, I was thinking I'll wear a dress, because for the next two I'm going to wear sarees, pattu sarees. So for the first one, I'm going to wear the green dress probably, which I wore for my brother's Pellicorpo function. And then for sarees, the two sarees, I will show you guys what I wore. I will insert clips here, and also let me know if you'd like to see a vlog of the entire thing. I can upload it on my other channel, on the vlog channel, Telugu channel, or I can upload it here too. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in watching that. And that is it for today's video, guys. I will show you guys how the looks finally turned out, and I will leave the links for everything in the description box, so do check out the description box. And if you try out the facial, let me know how it worked for you, and clearly it has done a really good job. So I'll leave the link for the facial kit as well in the description box, so you can check it out. And since we're not going out, this can be a really easy quick fix for whenever you are to step out, or whenever you have like a quick event coming up. So guys, before you go, don't forget to subscribe, and also find me on Instagram, and also check the description box for all the details. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.